Does trying to turn words into algebra feel like you're staring at a jumbled mess? Don't worry, you're not alone. But what if I told you that building algebraic expressions is no harder than following Lego instructions? I'm Mr. Davidson, and in this video we're going to unlock the secret language of algebra by breaking it down into simple Lego builds. By the end you'll be building expressions like a master builder. Let's make it click! Every Lego model starts with basic bricks. In algebra, our basic bricks represent numbers and unknowns. Let's meet our Lego alphabet. First, our yellow 2x2 brick always represents an unknown number, x. If we want 2x, we simply need 2 x bricks. Next, our blue 1x1 brick represents positive single numbers like +1. So 3 blue bricks means +3. And now the coolest bricks are transparent red anti-bricks. This small one means -1. And the large one means -x. But these have a secret power. Watch this. Woo! Perfectly balanced, they cancel each other out. The same goes for our x bricks. Again, cancelled out. Okay, now we know our bricks, let's build some expressions. Think of it like following Lego instructions. First up, x plus 5. Simple. Start with our x brick. Then add 5 positive blue bricks. Just like that, we have x plus 5. Now for a big one. 6 times the number x, then add 7. Let's build it. So that's 6x plus 7. Whoa! 6, 7, 6, 7. 6, 7, 6, 7. So that's 6x plus 7. 6, 7, 6, 7. And finally, a tricky one. 7 less than x. Remember, less than means we're subtracting from x. So we'll start with our x brick. And then we add 7 of our transparent red anti-bricks for -7. So our expression is x minus 7. Alright, it's your turn to be the master builder. So try this. Double the number x, then subtract 4. Pause the video and think about which bricks you'd use. Got it? Let's see. 2 x bricks, then 4 anti-bricks. That's 2x minus 4. Excellent. Okay, last one, a real challenge. The number 3 minus 4 times x. So 3 minus 4 times x. Ready? Let's check. We start with 3 positive blue bricks for the +3. And then we need 4 of our big red anti-bricks for the -4x. So the final build is 3 minus 4x. Brilliant work! You've just learned the foundational skills for all of algebra. If this Lego blueprint made building expressions click for you, hit that like button and make sure you're subscribed.